In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact opening move for every two-step equation you'll ever face, using three simple patterns so you always know where to start. Pattern one, no parentheses. Look at 3x plus 7 equals 22. Here there are no parentheses and no big fractions, just a variable term sitting next to a constant. What this means, your goal is to get the x term by itself first, so your opening move is to undo the addition or subtraction. Watch, subtract 7 from both sides to get 3x equals 15. Divide both sides by 3 and x equals 5. Super clean. Quick warning. Make sure you subtract on both sides or the scale tips and you'll get the wrong answer. Pattern 1 is the foundation, but pattern 3 is where a lot of people make a wrong first move. We'll get to that big fraction secret in just a second. Pattern 2, parentheses being multiplied. Take 3x minus 6 equals 21. Here, the entire expression inside the parentheses is being multiplied by a number on the outside. What this means, those parentheses are trapping your variable. You have two ways to break it out. Option A is to distribute first. Multiply 3 into both terms inside to get 3x minus 18 equals 21. Then solve it like pattern 1. Add 18 to get 3x equals 39, and divide by 3 to get x equals 13. Option B, the faster move, is to divide first. Since 3 is multiplying the set of parentheses, divide both sides by 3 right away. That gives you x minus 6 equals 7. Add 6 and x equals 13. Quick check. Are you team distribute or team divide? Drop your choice in the comments. Just watch out for this common mistake. If you distribute, make sure you multiply every term inside, including the negative signs. Pattern 3, big fractions. Look at x plus 6 over 3 equals 4. What this means, that long fraction bar acts like invisible parentheses grouping the entire top expression together. Because the whole top is being divided by 3, you can't subtract 6 yet. Your opening move here is to clear the fraction first. Multiply both sides by 3. The fraction disappears, leaving x plus 6 equals 12. Now subtract 6 and x equals 6. Easy once you see the pattern. Here's the big takeaway. Don't guess your first step. Look at the equation, spot the pattern, and choose the right opening move. Always remember to check your answer by plugging X back in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.